Everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about butter. Yeah, I know I talked about peanut butter yesterday, but today we're going to talk about regular dairy butter. Now, do you have enough butter to last as long as you think you're going to need it for whatever disaster or emergency you're preparing for? I know you can store butter in the freezer and it keeps for a long time in the freezer. And it keeps even longer if you go and seal those packages of butter up. So you don't get freezer burn even through that wax paper they have wrapped around the butter. Now, some people say, well, we get the stuff in the tub. Fine. Will that tub fit into some sort of a food saver seal meal bag where you can suck all the oxygen out around it to keep it from freezer burning? Also, there are other ways you can get butter to keep long term. Probably the most famous is the powdered butter, and you can get it in the number 10 can and it keeps forever. You can also get clarified butter, right? And you can can it yourself. And there's ghee, where another way of cooking butter or whatever, so it stays in a jar. You can keep it for years on the shelf. You can also buy it that way too. You can buy the canned butter. You can buy the ghee. But if you want to do it yourself, learn how to do it yourself as well. You can probably save a lot of money. Having butter is a big morale boost in dire times. So make sure you have enough butter in your supplies to last you for however long you think you are going to need it. All right. I can't tell you how much to store because you have to make that decision yourself. But store what you need and make sure you mark the dates on the containers for when you got it so you know when to rotate through it. All righty? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medicines, clothing, and other things you need to survive. Why? This is why.